There is a girl named Riley. She is 11 years old. Riley looks like a normal happy girl, but inside her head, something amazing happens. Inside Riley's mind, there are 5 emotions living and working together. These emotions control how Riley feels every day. The 5 emotions are joy, sadness, fear, anger, and disgust. They all live in a place called headquarters. This is the control center of Riley's mind. Each emotion has a special job. They help Riley feel different things and react to the world around her. Our story is about one special emotion. Her name is sadness. Sadness is small and blue. Everything about her is blue: her skin, her hair, her clothes, and even her glasses. She wears a big cozy sweater because she always feels cold. She moves slowly and speaks quietly. When sadness touches something, it turns blue and becomes sad. Sadness was born on the same day Riley was born. When baby Riley opened her eyes for the first time, joy appeared in headquarters. Joy was the first emotion. She was yellow, bright, and full of energy. Joy made baby Riley smile and laugh. Everything was perfect and happy, but then something happened. Baby Riley started crying. She was hungry and uncomfortable. That is when sadness appeared in headquarters. Sadness was the second emotion born in Riley's mind. Joy looked at sadness with confusion. Why was there a sad blue emotion? Babies should only be happy, right? Joy did not understand sadness. Every time sadness tried to help, joy pushed her away. When baby Riley cried, sadness wanted to touch the controls, but joy quickly moved her aside. Joy believed that Riley should always be happy. Sadness made Riley cry, so Joy thought sadness was bad and useless. As Riley grew up, the other emotions appeared. Fear came to protect Riley from danger. Anger came to make sure things were fair. Disgust came to keep Riley safe from bad things. All 5 emotions worked together in headquarters, but sadness always felt left out and unwanted. Joy gave sadness only one small job. Sadness could only work when Riley had tantrums or when things went very wrong. The rest of the time, Joy drew a small circle on the floor and told sadness to stay inside it. Sadness spent most of her time standing in that circle, doing nothing, feeling useless and lonely. Riley's life was mostly happy. She lived in Minnesota with her mom and dad. She had best friends. She loved playing ice hockey. She was good at school. Riley had thousands of happy memories, and they were all yellow because Joy created them. Joy worked hard every day to keep Riley smiling. In headquarters, there are special memories called core memories. These memories are the most important ones. They create islands of personality, special places that show who Riley really is. Riley has 5 islands: Family Island, Friendship Island, Hockey Island, Honesty Island, and Goofball Island. All these islands are powered by happy yellow core memories. Joy is very proud of this. She keeps all the core memories safe in headquarters, but sadness feels something strange. She looks at the core memories and feels they are incomplete. Something is missing, but she cannot explain what. Joy does not listen to sadness. Joy thinks everything is perfect the way it is. Then one day, everything changes. Riley's family moves from Minnesota to San Francisco. Riley must leave her home, her friends, and her hockey team behind. This is very hard for Riley. She feels confused and upset. On Riley's first day at her new school, the teacher asks Riley to introduce herself and talk about her life in Minnesota. Riley starts talking about her happy memories, playing hockey with her friends, skating on frozen lakes, winning the big game. As Riley talks, she remembers how much she misses her old life. In headquarters, Joy creates a new happy memory of Riley talking about Minnesota. But then something unexpected happens. Sadness feels pulled toward the memory. She cannot help herself. She walks over and touches the golden happy memory. Immediately, the memory turns blue. Riley is standing in front of her new class, talking about her old life, and suddenly she starts crying. She cannot stop the tears. She feels so sad about losing everything she loved. The other students stare at her. Riley feels embarrassed and runs out of the classroom. Joy panics. This is terrible. She grabs the blue memory and tries to remove it. Sadness tries to help. They both pull on the memory. They struggle and fight. Then suddenly, they knock over all the core memories. The core memories fall out of their holder. Joy and Sadness both try to catch the core memories. In the chaos, they get sucked out of headquarters through a memory tube. Joy and Sadness disappear from headquarters, taking all the core memories with them. Now fear, anger, and disgust are alone in headquarters. Without Joy and Sadness, they cannot help Riley properly. Without the core memories, Riley's personality islands start shutting down one by one. Riley becomes empty inside. She stops caring about anything. She decides to run away from home. Meanwhile, Joy and Sadness are lost in the vast world of Riley's mind. They must find their way back to headquarters. They travel through long-term memory, where millions of old memories are stored. They meet Bing Bang, Riley's imaginary friend from childhood. Bing Bong is sad because Riley forgot about him. He cries candy tears. Joy, Sadness, and Bing Bong journey together through different parts of Riley's mind. They go to Imagination Land, Abstract Thought, and Dream Productions. They have many adventures. But